In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a free trial of Tradingview. Tradingview is a powerful platform for analyzing financial markets, tracking stocks, and using advanced charting tools. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, this platform can help you make informed decisions. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the process of signing up for a free trial so you can explore all the features Tradingview has to offer. If you don't already have an account, I'll show you how to create one quickly and securely. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open your web browser and head over to www.tradingview.com. This is the official website where you'll access the platform, so make sure you type it in correctly to avoid any confusion. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to look around. Now, you're going to look for the button that says Get Started for free. It's usually located at the top of the screen, but if you don't see it right away, don't worry. Try scrolling down slightly or checking near the top section of the page. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. After clicking the button, you'll be directed to a page that displays the available plan options. Here you'll see different subscription plans like Essential, Plus, and Premium, as well as any special packages that might be offered. Each plan comes with its own set of features and trial periods, ranging from 7 days to 30 days. Take some time to review the details of each plan carefully. This step is important because it allows you to choose the one that best matches your trading needs. Once you've decided, click on the plan you'd like to try. If you're not ready to commit to a trial plan just yet, you can still access a more basic version of Tradingview for free. To do this, locate the Sign Up button at the top right corner of the homepage and click on it. This will give you access to the platform without selecting one of the premium trial options. Next, you'll need to create an account. Tradingview offers several ways to do this. You can enter your email address, create a secure password, solve the CAPTCHA to confirm you're not a robot, and then click the Create Account button. Alternatively, you can use a single sign-on option, such as signing in with your Google account or another available social platform. Choosing the single sign-on method can save time and eliminates the hassle of remembering another password, so pick the option that works best for you. Once you've selected your account creation method, you'll need to complete the verification process. This step is crucial because it ensures your account is secure and helps prevent spam on the platform. Follow the instructions provided, which might include verifying your email address or entering a code sent to your phone. After your account is verified and fully set up, you'll be redirected to the Tradingview homepage. Congratulations! You're now ready to explore the platform. At this point, you can dive into the features of Tradingview. Check out the interactive charts, create personalized watch lists, and experiment with the advanced tools available in your chosen plan. If you're on a free trial, make sure to take full advantage of the premium features during the trial period to see how they can enhance your trading experience. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.